interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued new severe thunderstorm warnings for Kaufman County, for northeastern Ellis County, and southeastern Dallas County until 8 p.m. A severe thunderstorm is located near Wilmer or Seagoville, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Additional storms are underway in Rockwall County headed into Kaufman County. They have a history of producing large hail in excess of 2.5 inches and also producing low rings and wall clouds in Collin and Rockwall counties earlier. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for Kaufman County, for northeastern Ellis County, and southeastern Dallas County until 8 p.m. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
Alright. Thanks for watching and goodbye.
Thunderstorm County in north central Texas, northeastern Ellis County in north central Texas, southeastern Dallas County in north central Texas until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Wilmer or near Seagoville, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Mesquite, Lancaster, Bulk Springs, Ennis, Terrell, Seagoville, Kaufman, Hutchins, Wilmer, Maybank, Crandall, Ferris, Combine, Talty, Kent, Grays Prairie, Cottonwood, Oak Grove, and Post Oak Bend City. This includes the following interstates. Interstate 20 between mile markers 477 and 495, and between mile markers 500 and 511. Interstate 45 between mile markers 263 and 273. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The current time is 7:09 p.m.
Alright, about the noise in the background, and we got a lot of the severe thunderstorm warning, and this one is not from my county, by the way. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Denton County, northwestern Collin County, southeastern Cook and southwestern Grayson counties until 5:45. Numerous severe thunderstorms are located over Denton County. A severe thunderstorm is located near Pilot Point, 13 miles east of Sanger, moving east at 30 miles per hour. The storm may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Locations impacted by this warning will include Denton, Sanger, Prosper, Princeton, Salina, Pilot Point, Aubrey, Ray Roberts State Park. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for northeastern Denton County and northwestern Collin counties until 5:45. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
And 485. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Keep on or near Lake Ray Roberts. Get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. High winds and waves can capsize boats. Pilot Point, or 13 miles east of Sanger, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include McKinney, Denton, Sanger, Prosper, Enna, Princeton, Salina, Pilot Point, Van Alstyne, Aubrey, Krugerville, Gunter, Ray Roberts Park, Isle du Bois, Ray Roberts Park, Johnson Branch, Melissa, Valley View, New Hope.
For northeastern Denton County and northwestern Collin counties until 5:45. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.